Olivia Media.
Alright guys, tataona ni video hii ambira kuti Namadingo Walendzera so tataioneleni ndi mutiuze ena kuti amakhanga tawo kuluma lilime choncho and so tataioneleni mutiuze ngati analedzeradi kapena ayi.
International sobwera kulima lokwati ayi umafuna international sobwera international people. Yeah, you see. But I'm here with the Namafan's chair lady. This is no longer Lilongwe chapter. This is the Namafan's chair lady in Africa. We need to have one that is international. You understand? So Ida Chicken Chaps is here at the airport to welcome the dog, which is very beautiful. And I've seen a lot of things you're doing. You're doing a lot of charity on your page. You're doing a lot of things that are awesome. And I also see a collaboration between you and Nyauyu. You're doing stuff. I really love what you're doing. The fitness, you know. Women need to be fit. No, exactly, everything. That's what I'm talking about. A good time there. 7 o'clock, get open. Please make sure you have money. This is a show for people who have money. If you have 25,000, you are eligible to come to the show. If you have 15,000, you can come through. If you have 50,000, you can come through. But otherwise, let me ride in the Benz. I'm used to Range Rovers. I'm coming from the Benz, so it's okay. I can ride in the Benz. But otherwise, I love this country and I love the people of this country. As you can see, the number one cheerleader, Ida is already here at the airport. Tonight, see you. The carrying peace, love, and blessings your way. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Olivia Media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.